Hello everyone, welcome back to GK Today. This is Nuzhat Sana and here is the compilation video for the whole month of October, and we have created it so that you can have access to all the questions that were discussed on this channel in the month of October. The source of these questions is GK Today's Daily MCQ Series 2021 to 2022 in the Android application. So if you wish to access the text version along with interactive quiz to solve for the current affairs, you may consider joining this series in GK Today's Android application. So now, without wasting any further time, let's get started. Question number 1. Seafarers at the core of shipping's future is the theme of which day, which is celebrated on 30th of September. This was the theme of World Maritime Day. Then which company has launched Future Engineer program in India? It was Amazon. Gold Exchange and Social Stock Exchange, which were in the news recently, are approved by which organization? These are approved by SEBI, that is Securities and Exchanges Board of India. India unveiled a national action plan for dog-mediated rabies elimination to eliminate rabies by which year? Answer is 2030. International Day of Awareness on Food Loss and Waste Reduction is observed on which day? It is observed on 29th of September. Sweet Revolution, National Beekeeping Honey Mission scheme are associated with which product? Obviously honey. Apada Mitra scheme, which was seen in the news recently, is implemented by which union ministry? It is implemented by Ministry of Home Affairs. Which union ministry has launched the Ease of Logistics portal? Answer is Ministry of Commerce and Industry. Fumio Kishida, who was seen in the news recently, is the next Prime Minister of which country? Answer is Japan, and he is to replace Yoshihide Suga. Which country has recently announced a multi-billion euro defense deal with France? It is Greece. Legal Initiative for Forest and Environment, that is LIFE, which received 2021 Right Livelihood Award, is based in which state or union territory? Answer is Delhi. The cabinet approved the continuation of the National Export Insurance Account Scheme till which year? Till 2025 to 2026. Which institution released the report titled as Transforming Food Systems for Rural Prosperity? It is International Fund for Agricultural Development. Emergency Credit Line Guarantee Scheme is associated with which ministry? It is related to Ministry of Finance. Najla Boden Romdane is the first female Prime Minister of which country? She is the first female Prime Minister of Tunisia. Which institution has developed the first alternative to corneal transplantation in India? It is IIT Hyderabad. Lucy mission, which was seen in the news recently, is associated with which space agency? It is a project of NASA. What is the external debt ratio to GDP of India as of March 2020? This ratio was 21.1%. Which institution released a report titled as Digital Economy Report 2021? Answer is United Nations Conference on Trade and Development. Which country observed its first National Day for Truth and Reconciliation? It is Canada. Mountain Blanc, which was seen in the news recently, is the highest peak in which mountain range? It is the highest peak of Alps. Alps is in Europe. Prashasan Gaon Ke Sang is an initiative of which Indian state or union territory? It is the initiative of Rajasthan. Which Indian is one among the 2021 Udan Prize awardees? It is Dr. Rukmani Banerjee. Amrut 2.0 and SBMU 2.0, which were launched recently, come under which union ministry? Amrut is Atal Mission for Rejuvenation and Urban Transformation, and SBM stands for Swachh Bharat Mission. So these come under Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs. Who is the head of the expert group on minimum wages and national floor wages? So head of this committee is SP Mukherjee. What percent of India's export is contributed by MSMEs approximately? So MSMEs basically contribute nearly 40% of India's export. Hwasong 8, which was seen in the news recently, is a new hypersonic missile tested by which country? It is the missile of North Korea. Sage and Sacred, which were seen in the news, are the new portals associated with which segment of population? Sage stands for Senior Care Aging Growth Engine and Sacred stands for Senior Able Citizens for Re-employment in Dignity. So these are related to old age people. When is the National Voluntary Blood Donation Day observed? It is observed on 1st of October. Chacha Chaudhary has been declared as the mascot of which program in India? Answer is Namami Gange program. Then which country has recently declared a state of emergency in the prison system? Answer is Ecuador. People's Plan campaign Sabki Yojana Sabka Vikas has been launched by which ministry? It has been launched by Ministry of Panchayati Raj. Bal Raksha Kit is an immunity boosting medicine developed by which organization? Answer is All India Institute of Ayurveda, Delhi. LOROS, which is in news recently, is a system associated with which field? LOROS actually stands for Long Range Reconnaissance and Observation System. So it is related to surveillance. India has recently signed terms of reference for the conduct of Navy to Navy talks with which country? Answer is Australia. Which institution publishes the Global Financial Stability Report semi-annually? So this report is published by International Monetary Fund. Who has become the first Indian woman cricketer to score a century in Australia? It is none other than Smriti Mandhana. Adayur and Kutia Tour, which were in the news recently, belongs to which state? Adayur is actually a chili and Kutia Tour is a variety of mango, and both of these products have recently got a GI tag, and these products belong to Kerala. J. Satyan, Harneet Desai and A. Sharat Kamal are associated with which sport? These are related to table tennis. The famous World Expo is hosted by which city from October 2021 to March 2022? It is to be hosted by Dubai. As per RBI, additional factor authentication by OTP for all the recurring transactions above -rupees is mandated. So limit is 5,000 rupees. Then what is the name of the fund launched recently for collecting contributions for providing tap water connection? The name is Rashtriya Jal Jeevan Kosh. Who is the patron-in-chief of the National Legal Services Authority? It is Chief Justice of India. Then what is the name of the cyclone that hit Oman and it is an offspring of the cyclone Gulab? It was Cyclone Shaheen. And you have to tell me which areas did Cyclone Gulab hit. Please write your answers in the comment section. Now, which organization publishes the model list of essential medicines? It has been released by World Health Organization. Then Deen Dayal Antyodaya Yojana, National Rural Livelihood Mission scheme, is implemented by which ministry? It is implemented by Ministry of Rural Development. Abiy Ahmed has been sworn in as the Prime Minister of which country? He is the Prime Minister of Ethiopia again. Then which state is set to receive the first consignment of Kashmiri walnuts flagged off for the first time? It is Karnataka. Which state has provided 445 crore rupees to the DISCOMs to prevent elephant electrocution? It is Odisha. Credit guarantee scheme for subordinate debt is aimed to provide credit facility to which type of borrowers? It is for stressed MSMEs. Then which city is set to play host to the 40th edition of India International Trade Fair? The host is New Delhi. Which football club won their maiden Durand Cup football title in 2021? It was FC Goa. What are Pandora Papers, which is seen in the news recently? It is documents revealing undisclosed wealth and tax avoidance. Who is the MD of National Asset Reconstruction Company Limited? It is PM Nair. Azadi at the rate 75, New Urban India. The urban conclave was inaugurated in which city? It was inaugurated in Lucknow. In which state a made in India drone has been used to transport COVID-19 vaccines? So this was done in Manipur. When is the World Habitat Day observed every year? It is celebrated on first Monday of October. Then question number 58 is GMEX is the maritime exercise between India and which country? So this is the exercise between India and Japan. Comprehensive Handicraft Cluster Development Scheme is a scheme of which union ministry? So it is a work of Ministry of Textile. Which state has passed a law to allow granting 8 colleges to affiliate with private universities? It is Gujarat. Then Swechha program is an initiative of which Indian state or union territory? This is an initiative of Andhra Pradesh. Tomb of the Unknown Soldier is situated in which country? It is in USA. Then Mitra scheme announced in budget 2021 to 2022 is associated with which sector? Mitra stands for Mega Investment Textile Park and it is related to textile. What is the theme for this year? World Teachers Day. The theme was Teachers at the Heart of Education Recovery. Do remember that we observe this day on 5th of October while the National Teachers Day is observed on 5th of September. The Nobel Prize for Chemistry 2021 has been awarded for developing a new way for building molecules known as asymmetric organocatalysis. Can you tell me the name of the persons who have jointly shared the Nobel Prize for Chemistry 2021? Please write your answers in the comment section. Then which country has passed the Foreign Interference Countermeasures Bill? It is Singapore. The Forest Conservation Act to which changes are proposed was passed in which year? It was passed in 1980. Mosquirix, which was seen in the news, is the first vaccine approved by World Health Organization against which disease? It is for malaria. Anshu Malik, who was seen in the news recently, is associated with which sport? Answer is wrestling. High Ambition Coalition for Nature and People was officially launched in which year? It was launched in 2021. Valilath Madathil Madhavan Nair, who passed away recently, is associated with which profession? He was a bureaucrat. Where is the US-India Business Council Summit held recently? It was held in New Delhi. Which Indian topped the Forbes Rich list for the 14th year in a row? It was Mukesh Ambani. How many countries are part of the Central Asian Flyway? So total 30 countries are part of this flyway. The Ajay Warrior defense exercise is held between India and which country? This exercise is between India and UK. Which Indian state or union territory has launched the State Capability Forum? Answer is Meghalaya. Which institution released a report titled as Shifting Gears, Digitization and Services-Led Development? It is a report by World Bank. PM Cares for Children scheme is implemented by which union ministry? Answer is Ministry of Women and Child Development. What is PM Cares? Prime Minister Citizen Assistance and Relief in Emergency Situation Fund. Question number 79. Lakhimpur, which was seen often in the news, is located in which Indian state? It is in Uttar Pradesh. What is the theme of World Post Day 2021? The theme was Innovate to Recover. It is observed on 9th of October. Then what is the name of the application launched by the Union Shipping Ministry to promote transparency in port-related information? Answer is MyPort. India has signed a forward action plan on power, clean transportation and green finance with which country? So this has done with UK. Bathukamma is a floral festival celebrated in which Indian state? Answer is Telangana. Who is the head of the Economic Division of the Department of Economic Affairs, Ministry of Finance? It is Chief Economic Advisor. Then River Ranching Program, which has been launched recently in Uttar Pradesh, is introduced under which scheme? So this is a program under Pradhan Mantri Matsya Sampada Yojana. Then India has entered into an agreement with Croatia in which field recently? Answer is Indian Traditional Medicine. A group of 136 countries, including India, have set a minimum global tax rate at what percent for big companies? So this limit is 15%. Which Indian conglomerate has won the bid to acquire Air India? It is Tata Sons. The exercise Malabar is associated with which armed force of India? It is Indian Navy. Then Sunil Chhetri, who was in the news recently, is associated with which sports? He is a footballer. Indian-born Dr. Abdul Qadir Khan, who passed away recently, is associated with which field? He was related to atomic and nuclear science. Sebastian Kurz has resigned from the post of Chancellor of which country? He is from Austria. What is the name of long-haul freight train of Indian Railway which has 177 wagons? It is Trishul. When is the International Day of the Girl Child observed across the world? This day is observed on 11th of October. When is the World Day Against the Death Penalty observed every year? It is observed on 10th of October. Which Indian state has launched a campaign called as Mission Kavach Kundal? This state is Maharashtra. Power Ministry has set a revised policy to use which product in coal-burning thermal power plants? It is biomass pellets. The Custodian of Trust is an upcoming book written by which famous banker? So this is ex-chairperson of SBI, Mr. Rajneesh Kumar. Can you tell me? Mr. Rajneesh Kumar has been appointed as Economic Advisor of which state? Please write your answers in the comments. Karuppar Kalamkari paintings and wood carvings of Kalla Kurichi, which have received the GI tags, belongs to which state? This product belongs to Tamil Nadu. Jezero crater, which was seen in the news recently, is a depression found in which space body? It is found in Mars. Darwin's ground sloth, which is seen in the news recently, were originally found in which region? It was found in South America. Where is the International Energy Agency headquarter? Headquarter of this organization lies in Paris. Minister for Forest and Environment released the Vision Plan for Indian Zoos for which duration? For 2021 to 2031. Which institution launched strategy to achieve global COVID-19 vaccination by mid-2022? It is World Health Organization. Monthly Economic Review is released by which institution of India? It is Finance Ministry. Who has been appointed as the Director General of the Indian Space Association? It is Anil Bhatt. What is the rank of India in the Henley Passport Index of 2021? The rank of India is 90. Which country hosted the G20 Extraordinary Leaders Summit that has been organized to discuss the situation in Afghanistan? It is Italy. Which public sector unit has recently been accorded Maharatna status? It is Power Finance Corporation. Union Home Ministry began tripartite talks with Gorkha representatives and with state government. So this state is West Bengal. Which animal species is also called as dhole? It is Asiatic wild dog. ASCAP radio telescope, which was seen in the news recently, is located in which country? First of all, it stands for the Australian Square Kilometre Array Pathfinder, and it is from Australia. Subject Expert Committee on COVID-19 granted emergency use approval to which vaccine for children 2 to 18 years? It is Covaxin. Which country celebrate Indigenous Peoples Day in the month of October? This country is USA. Who has been appointed as the advisor to Prime Minister Narendra Modi? It is Amit Khare. What is India's growth forecast for 2021 to 2022 as per International Monetary Fund's recent World Economic Outlook report? So this growth is 9.5%. Who has won the C.K. Prahalad Award for Global Business Sustainability Leadership recently? It is Satya Nadella. What is the consumer price inflation in India in September month as per the data released by National Statistics Organization? It is 4.35%. Which bank or institution conducted a study titled as Prospect for Enhancing India-Japan Trade Relations? It is Exim Bank. Next question. Christopher Columbus movement, which is confirmed to be replaced by an indigenous woman statue, is located in which city? It is in Mexico. Which institution has formed a scientific advisory group for the origins on novel pathogens? It is WHO. Malabar series of exercises began as a bilateral naval exercise between India and which country in 1992? It is between India and USA. When is the International Day for Disaster Risk Reduction observed? It is observed on 13th of October. Union Home Ministry has enhanced the powers of which central armed police force recently? So answer is Border Security Force. Then with respect to the Brexit deal, what is NI Protocol? It stands for Northern Ireland Protocol. If you remember, we have covered this topic in a detailed manner in our daily current affairs series. So if you want to cover the depth and want to understand the whole concept of this protocol, please refer to it, okay? Question number 126. Extended producer responsibility, which is in news recently, is associated with what? It is related to plastic waste management. Which country has pledged of $233 million to protect biodiversity in developing countries at the key United Nations Biodiversity Summit? It is China. Which state has commenced a campaign named as 10-Day All Mask Campaign? It is of Mizoram. Who launched the Pradhan Mantri Gati Shakti Master Plan in the month of October 2021? It was launched by Prime Minister of India Narendra Modi. Who is the first Indian to be elected as the chairman of World Steel Association? Answer is Sajjan Jindal. Which institution released the World Energy Outlook 2021 report? It is a report of International Energy Agency. Which department has launched the digital bonds named as ePLI bond? Answer is Department of Post. Sela Tunnel, which was seen in the news recently, is located in which Indian state? It lies in Arunachal Pradesh. What is the theme of International Day for Rural Women 2021? Theme was Rural Women Cultivating Good Food for All. When do we observe this day? It is observed on 15th of October. Which state has recently scrapped the position of Police Naik? It has been scrapped by Maharashtra government. Learning for People, Planet, Prosperity and Peace is the theme of which special day celebrated on 15th of October? It is World Students Day, which is basically the birth anniversary of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. With reference to the government scheme to encourage investment in India, what does PLI stands for? It is Production Linked Incentive. Which company has launched the technology solution named as UFill? Answer is Bharat Petroleum Corporation Limited. Vishwakarma Vatikas are proposed to set up at Hunar Haats, that is talent fairs, in which state? Answer is Uttar Pradesh. My Parking is an application launched to book parking slot online by which state or union territory? It is an initiative of Delhi. Which country has recently hit by the tropical storm Kompasu? Kompasu has hit Philippines. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Prerna Sthal was inaugurated at Naval Science and Technological Laboratory located in which city? It is in Visakhapatnam. Mount Harriet, which was seen in the news recently, is an island peak located in which state or union territory? It is in Andaman and Nicobar Islands. When is the International Day for the Eradication of Poverty observed every year by the United Nations? It is observed on 17th of October. Then Shenzhou 13 spaceship has been launched by which country? It is a program of China. A.K. Goyal, the MD and CEO of UCO Bank, has been recently elected as the chairman of which body? Now he is the chairman of Indian Banks Association. In addition to the wholesale price index, which other data is released by the Office of the Economic Advisor? Answer is monthly index of core industries production. Which institution releases the global TB report? It is released by WHO. Praggnanandha, who was seen in the news recently, is associated with which game? He is a chess player. Where is NATO's headquarters located? NATO stands for North Atlantic Treaty Organization. Headquarters lies in Belgium. Which international space agency has released a climate action plan recently? It has been released by NASA. Olaf Scholz, who has been in the news recently, is associated with which country? He belongs to Germany. The army of which country won a gold medal at the Cambrian Patrol exercise that was held in the UK? Answer is India. What is the name of NASA's robotic spacecraft launched to reach Jupiter's asteroid named as the Trojans? Answer is Lucy. If you remember, we have talked about Lucy mission many times. Which country houses La Loreria, or the crying room for promoting mental wellness? It is Spain. Which firm supplied P-8I long-range maritime patrol aircraft to the Indian Navy? Answer is Boeing. Next question. Allium niginum, which was seen in the news, as discovered in which Indian state or union territory? So this has been recently discovered in Uttarakhand. Dubbed as New Quad, India participated in the first meeting of the foreign ministers of which three countries? Answer is USA, UAE and Israel. Bhavani Devi, who recently won the title at a competition in France, is associated with which sport? She is related to fencing. Which institution is set to play host to the Aadhaar Hackathon 2021? Answer is the Unique Identification Authority of India. Which country is hosting leaders from 75 democracies under the Generation Next Democratic Network Initiative? Answer is India. Which Indian state or union territory has launched Red Light on Gadi Off campaign? It is from Delhi. Ministry of Culture is organizing the Abhidhamma Day along with which state? Along with Uttar Pradesh. 250 millimeters sewer water supply scheme, which was seen in the news, has been inaugurated in which state or union territory? It has been released in Jammu Kashmir. COVID-19 vaccine candidate VLA2001 is manufactured by which company? It has been manufactured by Valneva SE. Blue flag exercise, which was seen in the news recently, is associated with which defense force? It is related to Air Force. Which country is reported to have conducted a hypersonic weapon test using fractional orbital bombardment system? Answer is China. Which country has successfully transplanted a pig's kidney onto a human? Correct answer is USA. Kushinagar, where Lord Buddha attained Mahaparinirvan after his death, is located in which state or union territory? It is located in Uttar Pradesh. Which country has agreed to increase coking coal supply to India up to 40 million tons per year? This country is Russia. As per a new report by climate tech startup Blue Sky Analytics, which country topped in emissions related to crop burning? It is India. Which country has declared state of emergency over crime wave? It is Ecuador. Which state has approved the creation of a directorate under the new Indigenous Faith and Culture Department? It is Assam. What is the rank of India in the Global Food Security Index 2021? Very important ranking. Answer is 71. Which institution has launched the Token Reference on File service for tokenization of cards? It is National Payment Corporation of India, NPCI. Mukhyamantri Ration Aapke Dwar Yojana has been launched by which state? It is a program of Madhya Pradesh. Where is the Institute of Tropical Meteorology located? It is in Pune. Which country received non-harmful nano-nitrogen liquid fertilizer from India to boost cultivation? It is Sri Lanka. Which institution released the 2021 Production Gap Report? It has been released by United Nations Environment Programme. What is the rank of India in the World Bank's Ease of Doing Business report under the construction permits category? So rank of India was 27. NABARD entered into a Memorandum of Understanding with which state for facilitation of 13,200 crore rupees infrastructure project over 3 years? It is Assam. Fadiane Harime Vilayat is the nationwide defense drills conducted by which country? Answer is Iran. Computer Spectrometer and Imager, or you can say COSI, is a telescope associated with which space agency? So it is a telescope of NASA. Which fruit is being used by Punjab farmers to prepare bioenzymes for improving plant health? Answer is kinnu. A micro snail species named as Georgia mosmansis has been discovered in which Indian state or union territory? Answer is Meghalaya. Which famous personality has announced to launch a new social media network called as Truth Social? Answer is Donald Trump. Cumbre Vieja, which is an active volcanic ridge, is located in La Palma island of which country? Answer is Spain. Konkan Shakti 2021 is the first ever tri-services joint exercise between India and which country? So it is exercise between India and UK. The Reserve Bank of India imposed a monetary penalty of 1 crore rupees on which payments bank recently? Answer is Paytm Payment Bank for hiding the facts. Sandra Mason has been elected as the first ever president of which country? So she is the first ever president of Barbados. As per the 2021 Global Agricultural Productivity Report, what is the annual rate of total factor productivity? It is 1.36%. Nuri is the first homegrown rocket launched recently by which country? So it has been launched by South Korea. Which new species recently identified in India has been named after Jackie Chan? It is gecko. IUCN has recently alerted which Indian state on the threats faced by Bengal florican? It is Assam. Which country has announced plans to develop an extreme park named as Darig? Answer is Saudi Arabia. Which Indian freedom fighter wrote poems under the pen name of Warsi and Hazrat? Answer is Ashfaqullah Khan. The United Nations has recently set up a special trust fund for which country to tackle economic crisis? It is Afghanistan. Which country has become the top source of Chinese rice imports during January to August 2021? It is our India. Which ministry is associated with Center for Financial Literacy and Services Delivery? That is Saksham Centers. It is Ministry of Rural Development. Can you tell me what does Saksham stands for? Then what is the financial outlay for the Pradhan Mantri Gati Shakti National Master Plan? So this amount is 100 lakh crore rupees. Which country has reported 100 of cases of infection caused by the bacteria Salmonella? Answer is USA. What is the name of the storm that has swept across Poland, Germany, France and the Netherlands? Answer is Aurora. Which institution released the Global Threat Assessment Report of 2021? It has been released by We Protect Global Alliance. What is the name of the high-speed expendable aerial target, that is HEAT, which has been flight tested by DRDO? It is Abhyas. Which Asian country is set to present its climate prosperity plan in the United Nations Climate Conference at Glasgow? Answer is Bangladesh. What is the minimum capital proposed by the RBI for 4 all India financial institutions? Answer is 11.5%. The first calf of which cattle breed was born using in vitro fertilization, that is IVF in India? It is Bunny. What is the theme of World Polio Day 2021? We observed this day on 24th of October and the theme was Delivering on a Promise. Which global bloc has entered into an agreement, cross-border data use and digital trade? It is G7. Amended Technology Accreditation Fund Scheme is implemented by which ministry? Answer is Ministry of Textile. When is the World Development Information Day observed every year? It is observed on 24th of October. Which country has declared ambassadors from Western countries as persona non grata? It is Turkey. Old Kingdom, which was seen in the news, is associated with which country? Answer is Egypt. Which country launched the Syracuse 4A satellite to enhance the communication of its armed forces? Answer is France. What is the name of the scheme launched recently to strengthen healthcare infrastructure by building IT-enabled system? It is Pradhan Mantri Atmanirbhar Swasth Bharat Yojana. What is the name of India's first indigenous aircraft carrier? It is Vikrant. Cretopsara athenata, which was discovered recently as a dinosaur era species, is a dash. It is a crab. Which country has launched a national infrastructure fund with BlackRock? This country is Saudi Arabia. At which city is the Ayushman Bharat Health Infrastructure Mission inaugurated by the Prime Minister? This city is Varanasi. As of October 2021, how many routes have been operationalized under the Udan scheme? Udan stands for Ude Desh Ka Aam Nagrik. Answer is 389. What is the theme of Vigilance Awareness Week of 2021? The theme was Independent India at 75, Self-Reliance with Integrity. And the theme was chosen to celebrate Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav celebrations. Which Union Ministry recently launched podcast series on the freedom struggle? It is Ministry of Culture. Who is the chairperson of the new National Steering Committee set up to implement the Nipun Bharat Mission? It is Union Education Minister. The United Nations Disarmament Week is observed annually during which month? It is observed in the month of October. What is the IUCN status of the Shelly's eagle owls which were seen in the news recently? So these are vulnerable. India is set to celebrate Ganga Utsav in which month? So this has been celebrated in the month of November. Silver forget-me-not butterfly has been sighted recently in which state? It has been found recently in Tamil Nadu. Indian origin politician Anita Anand has been appointed as the Defence Minister of which country? So she is now the Defence Minister of Canada. What is the total membership of the East Asia Summit presently? So currently it has total 18 members. In which year was the ASEAN established? ASEAN is Association of Southeast Asian Nations and it was established in the year 1967. Which institution launched the first impact bond for skilling in India? It is NSDC, that is National Skill Development Corporation. Then India signed a $4.5 million project readiness financing loan to improve urban mobility in Azol with which bank? With ADB. Which regional association is to adopt the connectivity master plan worth $124 billion? It is BIMSTEC. BIMSTEC stands for Bay of Bengal Initiative for Multi-Sectoral Technical and Economic Cooperation and currently it has 7 members. Trigonopteris corona, which was seen in the news recently, belongs to which species? It is a kind of beetle. Queen Heo Huang Oke Memorial Park, which was seen in the news recently, is located in which country? It is in India. Which country has recently proposed a wealth tax? It has been proposed by USA. As per the Digital 2021 October Global Snapshot, what is the world's population that uses a mobile phone? Answer is 65%. Rarchestis ponmudi, which is endemic to the Western Ghat, belong to which species? These are a frog species. Which union ministry organized the Sambhav, which is a national level awareness program 2021? Can you tell me what the Sambhav stands for? And answer is Ministry of MSME. And last question is, Baldev Prakash has been appointed as the MD and CEO of which bank? So he has been appointed as MD of Jammu and Kashmir Bank. So that's it for today. I hope you have liked the session. These were the important news and events from month of October. And now we'll meet again tomorrow with our next month, that is November. So if you want to give any review, feedback or suggestion regarding these lectures, you can tell us in the comment section. Definitely we'll try to implement that. And also do not forget to tell me how much you enjoyed the lecture. So stay tuned for the next lecture. Please do not forget to subscribe to GK Today. With this, me Nuzhat Sana signing off.